If you want to use a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down until you find security and privacy, and then we're gonna choose more security settings. In here we can find the secure folder, so let's select it, press continue, and then of course we need to grant certain permissions so that the secure folder can be created. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds, maybe even up to a minute, to let the tablet create the secure folder. And then we can choose the password type that you wish to use for the secure folder. So in my case, I'm gonna choose a simple pin code. There we go, let's press continue. If the password is easy to guess, then you should see this information, but we can choose use anyway, and then enter the password again and press OK. After that, you can also use your Samsung account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So in this case, I'm gonna choose don't allow and unneeded it, and we can press OK. And there we go, let's go next. Enter the password to access the secure folder, and there we go, we have our secure folder, which we can also find in the app drawer. So let's go back to the secure folder. In here we can add apps by pressing this plus button over here. You can choose any of these apps that you already have installed, or you can download from a Play Store, and then you can actually have apps in the secure folder but not outside of it. We have these three dots on the right side that also allows you to access additional options, so you can check that out when needed. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.